Hey everyone, it's Melody with Design by Melody, and I'm here with the fourth layout using a mega kit that I kind of started in 2017. It's actually made of three different kits. Excuse me. It's made of a main kit, a planner kit, and I believe a project life kit. So I just combined the three kits together. I felt like alone they weren't necessarily enough to be like a real large kit, and they felt like they also coordinated with each other. So two of them were from the same company for the same month, and one was from a different company. So one was from Hip Kit, and two of them were for Gossamer Blue, and I believe they're all from 2017. So I just combined them together, and I will link all the videos for this kit in the description box below, and that actually includes my unboxing as well, so you can kind of see the three kits as I combine them. But these are all of the supplies that I have left. Again, this is just the fourth layout that I've done. I have done, let's see, so this is the second 12 by 12 layout, and I've done two Project Life layouts with this as well. So in the planner kit with this kit, there were a couple 6 by 8 pages, and this reddish pink big polka dot is one of those papers. So what I'm doing is I'm kind of creating a big large section on the right side of the layout, and that's kind of where I'm going to do most of my embellishments. I'm going to have a few embellishments on the top left, as well as a few, or just a little bit of journaling on the bottom right, but it's primarily going to be focused around this large piece here, and I cut it down to probably about 6.5 or more like 7 by 6 or something like that. So that's kind of the paper that I'm working with. Now this photo is actually from, let's see, it's from July 4th, but it's my two sisters and their kids. So my older sister has 2 kids and my younger sister has 1 kid, and these are them in the pool at my mom's house, just enjoying the 4th of July with her and enjoying the pool. And so I just went ahead and wanted to scrapbook this. I was not there for this, but I thought it was a really nice picture of them and kind of captures the moment. So in this kit there were these really pretty striped alphas, but I just felt like they got a little lost on the background paper. I feel like they're a little too busy. Maybe on like a solid black card or something like that. I have not been able to use them yet because I just can't figure out how to make them legible enough. But on this background paper, it looks like those are diamonds, like solid lines, but they're actually little dots. So that create those diamonds. So instead of using the alphas that came in the kit, I pulled out these Doodlebug Design Incorporated love letter alphas, and they're in the color Swimming Pool, and I just thought that was kind of funny because this is obviously a swimming pool. So the title is just Pool Time, and I use those alphas for that. And this kit, because it's a multiple kits combined together, I have a couple different stamp sets that are in here. And this one of them had the stamp that says The Good Life, so I'm creating a banner with that, and I'm going to put that right above my Pool Time title. Now, I really like those October afternoon labels that you see on the top left, but they are cream based, and just about everything else in the kit is really from like white based papers, so I have not been able to find a way to incorporate them because it just looks odd to me to combine that with this layout when everything is so stark white, or on such a stark white base. So I just haven't been able to include that. Now that 3x4 card with the large ampersand is sitting there, and I'm just kind of debating and debating and debating, and I have not stuck it down yet. But so I'm just kind of going through all of the different elements that are in this kit to see what will work. And again, I just haven't stuck that 3x4 card down because I'm not quite sold on it, but I'm thinking about it, and I'm looking at the other lime green elements that are in the kit, just trying to see if I want to include those. Now I had a sticker on that little word sticker sheet that had the date. It actually said like payday, so I cut off the payday part and I just included the date, and I put that right on the bottom of my photo itself. I like the fact that this kit has so many little bits and pieces in it, and I think that's primarily because part of it was a planner kit, so it has lots of little tiny embellishments that you would use in a planner itself. It also has these puffy stickers that coordinate with that planner kit, and there were these little fish, which I think are incredibly cute, and they match that washi tape that I had to mount on the white cardstock that's right under my Pool Time title. It has the little fish on it as well. So I'm going to use the fish to kind of scatter across the layout and just kind of work its way down from the top left all the way down to the bottom right. And there are some little die cut ones that are in this die cut pack that I'm going through right now that I'm going to include. As you can see, I just put a pink one down there. There are probably over 100 little tiny die cuts in this kit in total because I had combined a couple different things. So I'm just kind of taking the moment to sift through all of those and find any that I think might work. Now I think I'm actually going to end up running out of paper with this kit before I run out of embellishments, which is really strange for me because normally I run out of like embellishments. I end up feeling like I have to include things from my stash. So I think it's interesting because I combine the multiple kits. I think it's interesting that I'm kind of having the problem with not enough paper. But I will work with that problem when I come to it. So this is where I decided that I just don't think that that lime green 3x4 card is going to work. And I end up pulling out this die cut that says kick back and relax, and it's a little anchor. I don't know when else I'll use that. So I decided to go ahead and put it down here with this little teal like puffy camera. Now when I pulled off that 3x4 card, I also took off the main piece of lime green that's on here. So I went ahead and took off that lime green heart that was beside pull time as well, since it stood out too much. It just didn't really look like it coordinated anymore whenever that lime green was gone. So I'm looking for something to put in its place, and there's a couple different little things in the kit, but I'm going to settle on this little ice cream cone because, I mean, really, 4th of July to me in the South, like when it's hot, it's super hot at that point in time. We're in North Carolina, but at that point in time, it's incredibly hot. So 4th of July to me means ice cream, like no question about it. We always have homemade ice cream or something on the 4th of July, so I felt like the ice cream cone was just fitting to go there. Now there's also this little like life ring that's up here at the top right that I included. So it's kind of odd to me because they're not using life rings or anything like that, but I just thought it was kind of cute, and it just made me think of like a float for the beach or something like that. So at the time I was like, whatever, I'll put it here. It kind of coordinates. I think it's cute. I think it looks really cute layered over that tag up there. And then I am going to pull out one of the little weather stickers and stick it up there as well that just says has like a sunshine on it. Now here's my little box of scraps, and I use this little box whenever I am trying to find something else to go on the layout. Now I needed something to back my little stamping on because the white just looked too stark against the background, but then this just kind of looked weird to me too. I felt like it didn't coordinate. So what I'm going to do is take a white stamp of this same stamp and layer it over a piece of this patterned paper, and it's kind of like a geometric teal color. So then I still have the color, but I don't have quite so much of the pattern showing. So that's just a good way to kind of incorporate a little bit more color, but not just have it quite so busy. And then it's going to go off the edge of the paper. I've got everything pretty much stuck down, all my little fish and everything, so this is pretty much going to finish up this layout. My journaling just says, Wanda, Jill, and the boys enjoying the pool on this very hot July 4th. Weather is sunny, and then the date, July 4th, 2016, place is Grandma's. Then I'm going to trim off the little edge that's here. I'm going to take a look at the layout and see if there's anything else that I need to include. This layout has puffy stickers, it has chipboard, it has die cuts, it has enamel stars, it's got stickers, it's got quite a bit of different types of embellishments on this layout, but I really like the way that it all kind of comes together and coordinates and just makes a really pretty layout. I hope you guys have enjoyed this, and again, check the description box below for all of the links to the other videos. Alright guys, thanks! Bye!